What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our 14-15 Upper Deck Premier case break tonight. Should be a nice little break. Teams are going ahead right now. We're all paid up and ready to roll. We're live in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So here's your team. It is 10-20. Here's Peter down to Kevin and Anaheim to Winnipeg, folks. Good luck. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. We do timestamps on 3 and 4. Timestamp on 3 is 10:20. 10:21 it just turned. We're on our last and final for the teams, and then we'll copy them over. Timestamp here is at 10:21, and 10:21 it is. Washington to Philly. Washington to Philly, and Calgary to Carolina. There's your teams. Let's do the names to match them up. 10:21 again, and we got Peter down to Kevin. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:21. 10:21. Last and final, we'll do it, and then we're going to copy them over. Timestamp on 4, 10:21. And 10:21. Let's copy them over, guys. Kevin, top of the list, and Clay at the halfway mark. Then we got Peter down to Kevin. All right, folks, there's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Best of luck with the break.